Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can join a Telegram group with QR code. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. Before getting started, make sure that I've already updated your application to the latest version. And in case if you haven't, then what you'll need to do is open up your Play Store application and then on the search box type in Telegram. Instead of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available and you'll need to update your application for the latest feature. After updating your application, next what you need to do is you'll need to make sure that you already have the QR code. So for example, as you can see that I already have a QR code right over here. So this is the QR code of a particular group that I want to join. So what you'll need to do is first thing to install a scanner on your device. For that, once again open up your Play Store application and then on the search box type in scanner. So for now I'm going to go with this QR code and barcode scanner. Once it is installed, click on open the application. Automatically the scanner will load. So what you need to do is now if you have the scanner right in front of you, then you can simply scan it. In case you have saved on your gallery, then click on the picture icon in the top right, and after that click on gallery on the icon in the top right, and then click on the QR code. See, now you'll be directed to this kind of interface, and then click on the open icon right over here and then click on Telegram. And as soon as you scan it, you'll be taken to the group page and you successfully joined a Telegram group with QR code. So that is how you can join a Telegram group with QR code. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.